everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Miss Benin in America. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome back. Today we are making black soup, guys, and we're gonna be starting with palm nut cream. And I like to first of all melt it, kind of fry it a little bit before I start. So I'm putting the palm nut in the pot, and I already melted now, and I add warm water to dissolve it, and I'm gonna stir it for a bit so that it dissolves, and then add more water because it's very thick. So after this, I'm gonna cover it up to boil a little bit. Now it's ready, and I'm going to be adding pomo. It's called cow skin. So and then add my other stuff. This is optional. If you don't want to do that, you can just skip. And then now I am adding my blended scent leaf. This is the only fresh leaf that I have. And then now I am adding the other mixed vegetables, which the name is up there. Check it out. So I blend this separately because it's dried. So now I am trying to stir it together so that it will mix properly. Yeah, we just keep on doing that until it's mixed. Here you go. This is how it's supposed to look. But right now it's still very thick, and I want to add ubore. I don't know what it's called in English. And then cover it up, and here is our soup coming up. And then add stockfish and everything. Excuse me. So now I want to add smoked turkey, guys. If you have not tried smoked turkey for this recipe, you're missing out. So yeah, I'm gonna add smoked turkey, and I will cover it up a little bit so that it will soft, and before I add other meats. And then here is catfish. Just gonna add everything. This is optional. If you can use olive fish, this is crayfish. So you can use olive fish, you can use anything you have, but this is just me being dramatic. Okay, so I add blended pepper to it. I don't like using fresh pepper, but some people use fresh pepper though. You can use anyone. And now I'm adding Maggi to it to taste. It's very thick. Yep. Cover it a little bit. Here is our soup coming up, guys. Smells so good. And the oziza leaf, I don't know what it's called in English. That is giving. And then you add salt to it to taste. Yeah, you stir it a little bit, or you can just cover it up so everything will just mix together. All this fish today is just gonna be something extra inside. It's always gonna give it that juicy and tasty black soup. So that's how I like it, guys. Let me take you guys with me. Let's cook together. It's been a long time, guys. Do you guys miss me? How are you all doing? Yeah, thank you all for thank you for my subscribers, those that send me message, ask of me, and like, oh, where have you been, what's going on? Yeah, I miss you all too. I have a lot at hand at this time, and when the time comes, I'll let you guys know. So right now I changed the pot because that pot was kind of small. I couldn't add all the meats, so I changed the pot to this particular one because this is bigger. Yes, you see the difference, and voila, I take it back to that pot because I already add everything, and the soup is ready. See, it's giving, guys. This soup is not just like something you take just for tasty sake or something. It's a medicinal. It's good for everybody, most especially if you are a newborn mom. Hey, more. Here is our sunshine soup. Bye bye.